Hey everyone, let's talk about the three choices we all have for our time and how to make sure that you're getting the most out of each day. First up, I want to talk about trivial activities. These are things like social media, making excuses, and complaining. These are things that add little to no value to your day and should be avoided as much as possible. Our second type of activity are important activities. These tasks, they keep the wheels turning, but they don't directly impact your revenue or your goals. These are activities like admin tasks, emails, and meetings. And our final activity are impactful activities. These are the activities that actually drive your business forward and drive you closer to your goals. As I like to call them, these are your revenue driving activities. These are things like training, meeting with current customers, acquisition conversations, and recruiting. So now that we know what these three choices are, let's talk about how to get the most out of your day. You see, the key here is to focus on the things that you can control. This means that in a perfect world, you should be spending 0% of your time on trivial activities. They're not helping you and are only hurting you, so you should avoid these as much as possible. Our other two areas are where we're going to be spending the vast majority of our time. But remember, the goal we have is to not just be busy, but it's to be productive. And that means we have to balance our time accordingly. And so this means that we want to be spending about 20 to 25% of the time we have in a day on our important activities. And the remaining 75 to 80% is going to be spent on those impactful revenue driving activities. So we've covered what these three choices are. We've looked at how much time in a day you should allocate them. Let's break this down and focus on how you can make sure the right activities are getting done every day. And to do this, I suggest using time blocking in a daily must-win list. Your daily must-win list is going to be either the last thing that you do before you leave the office or the first thing that you do when you get in the morning. And it's going to be writing out the 3 to 5 impactful activities that you need to complete that day to move you closer to your goals. These are things like new customer proposals or quotes, appointments set, referral conversations, life conversations, disability conversations, number of interviews completed. These are the activities that are going to move you closer to your goals. And once you have your daily wins list created, you should then sit down and block out your day from a time perspective to make sure you stay on track and inside of your ideal percentages. So if we were to think about this, you can break these time blocks down into either 30 or 60-minute increments. But if you're going to be putting in 7 hours of actual work on a daily basis, this means that you're going to be allocating between 1.5 to 2 hours of your day towards your important tasks, the things that need to get done, and then another 5 to 5.5 hours on those impactful activities, making sure that your time is focused on the highest return activities that are going to move you closer to your goals, allowing you to accomplish more each day. So there you have it. The three choices that you have for time and how you can get more of the right things done each day. Make sure to give these strategies a try. And if you do and they help, make sure you come back and leave us a comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe to our page so that you can get more tips on how we can help you ignite your potential and get 1% better every day.